Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode, we will be learning how you can easily change your governor appearance in Age of Empires. So first of all, launch open your Age of Empires game on your device. From the main lobby screen, go to the top left corner and tap on your avatar. This will open up the governor info section where you need to click customize on the left hand side menu. Now click on Governor Appearance. Select a different governor appearance you want to change to from the list. Some of the governor appearance will be unlocked after you complete a certain level or progress throughout the game. Select any one governor appearance you want to use and click on the Use button at the bottom right corner. Soon after you do that, you see that your character has now changed. So there you have it. That's how you successfully change your governor's appearance, making your Age of Empire experience more personal and visually appealing. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.